Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will cook a common Bengali dish but a little difference with a different taste. Yes viewers, today I will show how to cook arum-lobe with prawns. Arum-lobe is a very nutritious food. Those who do not want to eat arum-lobe at all, they can try this dish at least once.
Today I am using 1 kilogram shrimp fish and 1 kilogram catcher lathi in cooking.
My shrimps are very big size. If you want, you can try with small shrimps. I am using lobster fish. There is a reason behind it. The lobster head has a lot of brains, which will multiply our food taste. First of all, clean and wash the prawns and arum-lobe. Let's move on to our main cooking. First, I will put a pot on the stove and then give the pot a good heat. I am giving a cup of mustard oil. Now we will fry the prawns. If we fry the prawns, we will get a better flavor from it. We will fry the fish for 4 to 5 minutes. If it is too much, the fish will become dry and it will feel very rubbery to eat. In this oil, add a half tablespoon of radhani cumin and black cumin. I will fry for 30 seconds.
Artlist.io.
Now adding 1 cup of chopped onion. Adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now adding 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. I am giving onion, garlic, ginger and cumin paste. I have to roast the spices very well until the oil floats to the top. Adding amount of salt. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. I have to roast the spices for 5 to 7 minutes. A sweet aroma comes out from these spices. Our roasting is completed. See, the oil floats on the top. Now I am adding 1 cup of water. I am waiting until the water is boiled. Now I am adding pre-washed arum-lobe. Mix the spices with arum-lobe. Now we cover it for 5 minutes. We come back after 5 minutes. Again, we mix the arum-lobe with spices. Now I am giving pre-fried prawns. Again, we will cover it for 3 minutes. Once again, we cover it for 2 minutes. Viewers, our cooking is already completed. See how beautiful color is come out. If we put too much broth, this dish will not be tasty, and if it become completely dry, it will also not be tasty. This dish is completely tasty with little broth. Our cooking is completed. Now serving. This curry is very tasty with hot rice and hot fried rice. If you like this cooking, try it at least once at home and let me know how your cooking is turned out in the comments box. Eat at home, stay healthy. Avoid outside food as much as possible, and if you must eat, get it from a non-polluted source. See you again with a new video. Allah Hafiz.